There we go. Smiley. Yeah, we do look like such idiots. But anyway, so this is the normal Rickers walk home from work every day. January 2009. There's Erin. She came out to say hey. And I'll show you.
Our first Chicago blizzard.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is our apartment building. This is where we live. Pretty high up. There it is. Right there. Probably ruining the camera right now. Give me a little booty shake. Oh. Sorry. Anyway, so there's the parking lot across from where we live. And that's looking up towards Michigan Avenue. And that's looking down towards the lake. And it's beginning of January, and we're actually kind of getting tired of this. We're ready to move back to North Carolina, ready for some springtime. And anyway, just thought it would be interesting. Let me get a better shot of our building. Hopefully I won't get run over by a car. That's our building. That's where we live. We're on the other side, though, looking towards the lake. And there's our beautiful building. Anyway. Good night.